A very close battle in the trucks today, making short work of this lush, green and sand-free terrain. Dmitry Sotnikov is in 6th overall, second quickest on the first test today. An excellent new battleground for these giants. The Japanese crew, driven by Teruhito Sugawara, could not match the others for pace today, but still an impressive 5th overall as it stands. Czech driver Martin Maček is on a flyer today. In 4th overall, he powers his Liaz truck to a provisional stage win. Belarusian Siahe Vyazovic, in his highest placed of the MAZ fleet, 6th quickest on the stage, still in a podium position overall. The Argentine rally star VILLAGRA is still keeping the pressure on the rally leader. In his ROOY prepared Iveco Power Star, 3rd quickest time, maintains 2nd overall. The Russian juggernaut seemed to struggle on this high-altitude stage. Rally leader Eduard Nikolaev has so far lost over 2 minutes to VILLAGRA. All the hopes of KAMAZ rest on him to continue their winning streak.